which I'd rather not talk about, and build that transmission line. Just yesterday I had a meeting, we had a review meeting at the bank, and I was told that we've got a 50 megawatt power plant in Manjan, which is about 200 kilometers from Karachi. And the power distribution company there is HESCO, which has propriety to buy power. That's the other thing. You want to bring in the private sector? Yes, absolutely. We need to bring in the private sector. But currently, even the provincial government can't come in because they've got proprietary areas, and you can't. That's what happened when we wanted to generate our own power and sell that power to our own Karachi Water and Sewerage Corporation, which is it's a defaulter. It's got problems because we said no, we'll produce our own power and we'll sell it to them. We were not allowed to, because K Electric had propriety over this region here. So this Manjan power plant, which is, we're ready with it, but the National Transmission and Dispatch Company is saying that they'll need 4 years, you said? 2028. Yeah, 4 years to build this transmission line for us. Now, can you imagine? We're doing a power plant which is green power, which the costs of solar have gone down tremendously, but we don't have transmission for it. And I wanted to offer a solution, but then again, for reasons that I don't want to talk about, I just held back a little. I said, let me think about it. I don't want to get into another 5 years of mental torture, because it was just a few days before that I was out of that mental torture.